For those who are using Flexclip, they have just made a small update. So let's have a look at what the new update is. Let's go create video 16:9, get started. Okay, so the import media window is open. I'm just going to click and drag, drop my media in there, and I have a little clip here what is of a motorcycle, so I'm going to add that to the timeline. All I did was just press the plus sign here. Now most software will allow you to adjust the speed, so we now have here also the option of adjusting the speed. So let's click on that. So what we can do, we can either make the clip go faster by 8 times faster or 20 times slower. Now what we can also do is we can speed ramp it. And what do I mean by that? Let's go into curve speed, and here we have some presets. But if we go into the customize options, so as you can see, I've been playing around with this. So I'm going to reset it so everybody knows exactly what's going on. So here I have a clip, and basically I'm just walking to this bike. Let's watch that. I will pan into the bike, and then I will walk back. Now what I can do, I can make it so that as I walk to the bike or zoom into the bike, I can ramp up the speed, ramp back the speed, in other words go up and go back down. And that's the good thing about speed ramping, you can have your variable changes. So let's have a look at that again. So probably the walking part could go a little bit faster. So what I'll do, I will come in starting off faster. Let's have a little play on that. Alright, don't worry about it being choppy. When you render it out, it actually will come out quite smooth. Okay, so it's probably a little bit too fast, so I'm going to add a point, and by here I want to drop it back to say a normal speed, and I'm going to play it coming out. Now what I'm going to do, I think I walk to the left and I zoom in on the name of the bike. Nope, sorry, looks like I'm walking into the bike. So this is a good point. What I can do, I can add a keyframe. I'm just going to slightly set it back to where I'm just about to start, add a point and increase that speed. So I'll zoom in. As I zoom in, I'll go in fast and I'll come back out. Let's have a look. In and out. So you may have seen some TikTok videos where they grab a chair or a car and they zoom in on the stuff and pan back out really fast. And this is how they do it. And the reasons why it's called speed ramping, as you can see, it ramps up the speed and then de-ramps the speed. And you can do this all along your clip. Let's do this one more time. I think here we're going to zoom in on the word NMAX. Yep. So I'm going to step back slightly where I'm just about to zoom in, and I'm going to pop in and pop out. So I'm going to add a keyframe, really crank that up. I could go higher, but I don't think I want to do that much. And then I'm going to bring this little keyframe in a little bit closer, and then let's have a quick preview of that. Bam, and pop it back out. So there you go. This is the new added feature for Flexclip, which is the variable speed, or better known as speed ramping. And as always, thanks for watching.